Okay, now, a few minutes ago we watched a fight scene from this little short film of an intended web series.
Mm-hmm.
So, now, the episode itself, or short film, we didn't watch the whole thing because I couldn't find it with English subtitles. However, I could find it with automatically generated phonetic English subtitles.
Oh dear.
So just out of curiosity, let's see how that turns out. We've done this before.
Yeah.
So just for you watching at home, no, this is not an accurate translation. This is YouTube's algorithm. There you go.
मुझे पकड़ना इतना आसान होगा
Mucha poker night.
Yasunaga.
तुम जानते हैं क्या हो मेरे बारे में
Don't Chana Yahoo Mirabelle.
मैं कोई भी हो सकता हूँ
Okay.
कहीं भी तुम्हारे आसपास
Enter Maria's pass.
बिल्कुल करीब
Marius. What's a power?
तुम मुझे
Don't
कभी
know.
पकड़ने
Carries
Sounds
the
like a kind
magic
of
of a Pagani bow.
Yeah, I'm as confused as him.
Yeah. Music.
Oh, that bullet just punched him.
Yeah. Yeah, sound design in this is, sound design's sound design's one of the toughest parts of making a movie. Ah.
And he drowned.
वेलकम बैक
Okay.
तुम लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा पंगा ले लिया
Okay.
Oh, I did what?
अब तुम दोनों
You
मिलके
bloke on a pod parapongal? Oh yeah.
Milk a coach.
Donor?
Conformer cover.
मैं इसकी जरूरत है
Already March.
Miss-
Miss Kiss the Riveter.
Miss Kiss the Riveter. Stomach using the shorty, if you know what I
और
mean.
मेरी बात
I
ध्यान
think
से
you
सुनो।
do.
अब दूसरे इन्फॉर्मर को बचाने के लिए बहुत कम वक्त है
Botanic Bodkin? Tamara Bus Oscar. Logical Chamber Cake Chorus? Jesus, coffee, Dennis's key, information, color,
मुझे
Karada.
पता चल गया वो कौन है
Chupatel.
Game O'Connor licking my ass about Nina.
Celtic. The yeah, her cotton.
Passport, comeback.
Botanically arrows. Like, don't go sleep.
क्या तुम दोनों तैयार हो
Was that lick my ass? Did it say lick my ass?
Start wizard when device. Start wizard?
Yep.
Now there's wizards?
There's always wizards
What is going on?
I don't know, but apparently there's some ass licking and
Botanical arrows.
a riveter's about to get kissed.
Man, this is too spicy for me. Alright, so.
Yeah, so this is the part we saw.
Oh, no, we get more.
Okay.
Oh no, he's gonna activate the wizard.
And, get step-by-step instructions for how to install a program.
Mm-hmm.
तुम लोगों को लड़ने का बहुत शौक है ना?
About hot chocolate.
अब शुरू करते हैं.
Well,
तुम छुप छुप के
sugar.
लड़ना
They spelled my name
और
wrong.
मैं खुलेआम. Let the
Choke a
war
learner? Make
Make you let the war begin.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So yeah, there were some interesting lines in there. I've forgotten them because they were also incredibly rapid fire, and then there was a
Lick
bunch
my
of
ass.
not lick my ass did happen. Okay, out of context sounds weird, but you say to me, lick my ass, I say, lick my ass did happen. Mind you, if anybody like comes at me with an insult like that, that's gonna be my response.
That did happen.
Miss, kiss the Riveter.
Botanically arrows.
Yeah. I think there's a storyline hidden in there somewhere, but I'm not sure I want to know what it was.
No.
No. Lick my ass did happen. Okay.
Well, then. I think this is the part where Shay would fire me.
Yeah, it seems likely.
No, I think Shay would have fired you during Without a Paddle.
It's very possible, yeah.